Hello everyone, my name is Remy Collins and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've had a lot of people ask me about doing tutorials, and so I'm excited to announce that I'm starting a violin tutorial series for Christian songs. And to kick things off, we're going to start by learning Firm Foundation. This is an amazing Christian song and I think it's perfect for the violin. And so I can't wait to guide you through playing it. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell because there are so many more tutorials coming your way. All right, so let's learn how to play Firm Foundation. Grab your violins and let's make some music. Let's go over a few things before we start. First of all, there's a fingering chart to go along with this tutorial that is available to download. The link is in the description. Secondly, this fingering chart is pretty easy to follow. What you have is the name of the string and the finger number. So for example, on your A string, if you see A1, that means you're playing your A string with your first finger. I think this will become clear as we start the tutorial. And lastly, please take note of the key. It is important that you're playing in the right key. The fingering chart wouldn't make sense if you're playing it in the wrong key. I'll have the key at the top of the fingering chart. All right, let's get right into it. I have my own fingering chart open right in front of me. So if you have yours, let's give it a try. I'm going to start with verse 1. If you're following the fingering chart, I have verse 1 and the chorus. So I'm going to go through that with the BPM of 60. And then I'm going to take it again with the original BPM, which is 75. All right, so we'll take it a bit slower, and then we'll increase the tempo. And then we'll do that for the second verse, the chorus, and then we'll do that for the bridge, and then the last verse. All right, so that was the first verse in 60 and also in 75. So now let's try the second verse. Same way, I'm going to slow it down all the way to 60. Right, next, and then we'll do the bridge. I'm going to take it back to 60. All right, there you go, our very first tutorial in this series. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I really hope this has been helpful to you. If you are still here, please share this video, like it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop the next tutorial. Once again, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.